Today I want to show you a massage that you can do anywhere, even if you are at work. This way, for example, during a lunch break, you can take a couple of minutes to remove tension, loosen the muscles, and open up your face. If you're wearing makeup, you don't have to worry about removing it, since this massage is done on dry skin without using any product, but make sure you wash your hands before you start. On your face, there are places where fascias are connected to the bones. When connective tissue in those places does not get enough nutrients, it can cause wrinkles. In order to improve nutrition in those areas, you need to make sure that you soften the muscles and separate bones and skin. So let's start off by boosting the lymphatic nodes. Placing your pinkies right above your collarbone, breathing in, and while breathing out, pushing the fingers down. Repeat it 3 times. After that, softly massage the area around your ears, moving upwards in circular motions. Then sliding your fingers down and repeating the exercise again. Now, moving on to improving the lymphatic and blood flow. In deep sliding motions, move through your neck, both front and back side. By the way, this exercise helps by high blood pressure. Move on to your trapezius muscle in order to remove the contraction and loosen the muscle. With the opposite hand, massage the trapezius muscle, moving as low as possible and pulling the fold upwards. Now let's move on to soft of the muscles on the back of your neck in order to improve circulation and therefore nutrition of your head. Grab the tissue into a fold and give it a good massage. Now put your fingers on your head and move the skin in all different directions to separate it from the scalp. Work through all the areas on the back of your head, on the sides of your head. After finishing the scalp massage, move on to your forehead. You're going to soften the muscle in order to improve circulation. It's especially useful for those who have deep lateral wrinkles. Stick your fingers to the forehead and move the skin in all different directions, separating it apart from the bones. Moving on to the temples. You can give some more attention to the lateral wrinkles, grabbing it into a vertical fold and rubbing it against each other, working through the whole length of the wrinkle. Wait, but you don't have lateral wrinkles. Yeah, I also thought maybe I shouldn't do it. After that, massage your forehead in deep sliding motions. Move on to your eyebrow ridges. Grab them in a fold and pinch them together throughout the whole eyebrow area. In the same way, work in the area between your eyebrows. After that, with the tips of your fingers, push the area of your eyebrow ridges. Moving on to the circular muscle. With the fingers of one hand, lift the end of your eyebrow up, and with the other hand, in deep tapping motions, work through the circular muscle. Moving along the orbital bone. After that, grab the tissue in the temple zone into the fold and move along the cheekbone. Grabbing a fold and then releasing it, and repeat it again. Now working on your nose. First of all, massaging the wings of your nose in the place of their attachment in circular motions. After that, grab the wing of your nose with your fingers and give it a good massage, which will help you remove swelling and improve circulation. Now place your fingers along your nose and move the tissue up and down. Now we are going to work on the chewing muscle. Put your fingers right on the chewing muscle and massage it in circular motions, moving in both directions. Next, you're going to do a rolling exercise. Grab your muscle into a fold. In order to make sure that you actually grab the muscle, not only the skin, try opening your mouth. If the fold is getting away from your fingers, then you actually grab the muscle. So when you have your fold, roll it down along the chewing muscle to the corner of your lower jaw. After that, move back upwards and repeat the exercise again. Do this exercise twice and then move on to the other side. Now we are going to work on your chin and the line of your lower jaw, making sure that you're forming a beautiful face shape. Grab a fold on your chin and massage it in softening motions. After that, grab your chin between your fingers, tap them deep into the skin, and slowly move them downwards, connecting your fingers together. This will help you elongate your muscle. Now move on to your lower jawline. Grab it in the place of the press or muscle attachment and move the skin apart from the bones of your jaw. Move through the whole line of your lower jaw till you reach its corner. And the last exercise for plump lips. Grab your lips between your fingers and give them a good softening massage. And finish it off with a lymphatic drainage exercise, moving along the lymphatic flow in deep motions. This massage will help you against swelling, wrinkles, and will improve nutrition of all parts of your face. You can do it 2 to 3 times a week. If you found this video useful, subscribe to our channel, make sure that you give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Click the bell in order to follow all of our latest videos.